Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? It's being late of giving videos on my channel due to some reasons, but I am definitely try to continue from today onwards. So today we will discuss about small intestine. This is a part of digestive system. It is an important and specific part of digestive system. Okay, so we will start. Small intestine. First we will write the introduction. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. Where maximum digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place. So here what is the introduction? Small intestine is the longest part. It is the longest part of the digestive system where maximum digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place. So here we have to remember maximum of the digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place in here only small intestine. Next we will go for the length. In length again we will discuss. It's approximately 6 meters or 20 feet. Diameter (2.5 centimeter). Next, where it extends from? It extends from stomach to large intestine. So where it extend means from here to here it is extended. So these only we have to remember. It's extended from stomach to large intestine. Okay, next I will show you one picture. In this picture you can see small intestine from stomach. It is the stomach. From here it is the large intestine. Here see, this is the large intestine, and this large intestine in middle extension is this one. This is the small intestine, you can see. Next we will go for the parts. Parts of small intestine. So mainly small intestine is divided into 4 parts. First one, duodenum, It is the first part. Approximately 25 centimeters. Next, it is a C-shaped structure. C-shaped structure. Next, it receives bile from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas. So pancreatic juice means it will come from pancreas only, and bile means bile will come for the gallbladder, and gallbladder is situated is beside of the liver only. So this is the duodenum. Then next we will go for functions. So main function is neutralize acidic chyme, which in bracket you can write this chyme is comes from stomach. Okay, so here you may think that what is this chyme, so I will write you here chyme. What is chyme? Chyme, the thick semi-solid fluid, pulpy mass of partly digested food and stomach acid that is created in the stomach. You understood? Chyme is nothing but, here see, chyme is nothing but the semi-solid fluid or pulpy mass and partly digested food, means that food what we eat that is not completely digested, partly digested. Okay, so partly digested food, it's a semi-solid. Okay, semi-solid and pulpy, like pulpy, think, and stomach acids that are created in the stomach, means in stomach only the undigested or halfly digested food only called as chyme. Okay, so this chyme neutralizing acid. Okay, so this one also done by small intestine. Next point means next function, starts the chemical digestion. Starts the chemical digestion. So start the chemical digestion. Next, this photo I will show you, means here you can see duodenum means this one. this C shaped, this portion is called duodenum. Here already color mention also there. You can see this greenish color bent is only called as duodenum. So next we will go for the next part, that is called jejunum. Jejunum. So in that first point is, it is the middle part, approximately 2.5 centimeter, sorry, meters. Next point, it's highly vascular. Vascular means most of the blood vessels and lymph nodes are present here. Okay. Next we will go for the functions. So what is the function? In that function is major site for absorption of nutrients. Nutrients like, you bracket, you can write glucose and amino acid. Okay. So here also I will show you in picture, means that jejunum is this one. You can see this. This all portion is called as jejunum only. Okay. So these all is called as jejunum. This all portion. Okay. So this is all is called as jejunum. See here also written, this is the middle part and the small intestine responsible for the digestion and absorption of the nutrients. Okay. Next we will go for ileum. So ileum, it is the last part, approximately 3.5 meters. Okay, and ends at ileocecal valve. This area you have to remember, ileocecal valve, where it is ends, ileocecal valve, or I am underlining this. Ileocecal valve. Then its function. Mainly ileum function is absorption. Absorption. What they will absorb? First, vitamins, B12 and bile salt. Okay, so absorption means absorption also vitamin B12 by absorption and bile salt absorption. Okay, so here means I will show you in picture, means ileum, this one. Okay, so this last part, ending part, this is only called as ileum. So here also written, this is the last part of the intestine and absorbs the vitamin B12 and bile salts. Okay, next we will go for the structure of small intestines walls. So the wall has 4 layers. The wall has 4 layers. Okay, first point is mucosa, second one submucosa, third point muscularis, and fourth one is serosa. Okay, so these are the 4 layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. So this one also in full GIT you can remember like this. All the parts they are having 4 layers. These are the names: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. These all are having the same. Okay, these 4 layers only there. Again, one by one we will discuss. Before that, we will discuss that even special features are there. Special features. Star point you can write. Special features in that here villi and microvilli are present. Villi means finger like projections. Fingers like projections. Okay, and microvilli, brush like structure. Okay, so villi and microvilli also present in this area. Okay, each villi contains blood capillaries, lateral lymph nodes, now we will go for functions. Absorption of nutrients into blood and lymph. So this is the mainly work. Absorptions means like how I will show you one drawing I will do. Like this finger like projections are there in the wall of the small intestine. In that here this is villi. Microvilli means here small brush like structure will be there. So like that it is there, and here inside blood vessels are present, lymph node, blood vessels, they are present inside. So directly from this villi and microvilli, these they are all absorption. Suppose here food particle or anything came, here it came, here it came, here it came. Why it is absorption, it will come and it will comes under through absorbs into bloodstream, and directly it will go to the blood. Okay, directly it will come here and directly it will absorb through absorption. It will come and directly it will absorb. Okay, like that, and it will absorb here and it will go. Okay, here pointing we can do. Villi, microvilli. Hopefully you understood. Next we will go for digestion in small intestine. Digestion in small intestine, mainly in digestion enzymes are involved. So mainly enzymes involved. So what are the enzymes? First point, pancreatic enzymes. Pancreatic enzymes means those enzymes comes from or secretes from pancreas only. So pancreatic enzymes. So in that what will be there? Amylase, which do the digestion of carbs. It helps the digestion of carbs. Next, trypsin. It is helps in protein digestion. Okay. Next one is lipase. It helps in fat digestion. So you have to remember this all. How you have to remember? Amylase, trypsin and lipase. So these are the protein, carbs and fats. Okay. Next, pancreatic enzyme finished. Next it will come as intestinal enzymes. Intestinal enzymes. In that what will be there? Three are there. First one is maltase, then sucrase, and next one is lactase. Maltase, sucrase and lactase. So these are the intestinal enzyme. And third one is bile. Bile. It helps in fat digestion. This fat digestion also we can call it as emulsification. Okay. Next, so these are the digestion in small intestine. Digestion in small intestine means mainly enzymes are involved. So first is pancreatic enzymes. Pancreatic enzyme means amylase, trypsin and lipase. Amylase what will do? Carbs digestion. Trypsin protein digestion, and lipase is fat digestion. Then comes under intestinal enzymes. Intestinal enzymes are three. So three, what are the three? Maltase, sucrase and lactase. Okay, next bile is there. Bile helps in fat digestion. Okay, see here digestion over. Next we will go for absorption. Absorption of small intestine. Small intestine I am writing shorts SI. You, in that we will make one column. Here in first one we can write nutrients, and here we can write absorbed forms. First one is carbohydrates. It is absorbed form is glucose. Next one is proteins. Absorbed form is amino acid. Next, fats. Fatty acids plus glycerol. Okay, next one is vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, K and B12. So absorption in small intestine, you have to remember vitamins means what vitamins are absorbed? Vitamin A, D, E, K and B12. Not B all, only 12. And last one is minerals. Irons, calcium. Irons and calcium. These are the two minerals which are absorbed and in small intestine. Okay, next we will go for the, here you want to write means one star point you can write. Most of the absorption takes place in jejunum. Okay, so this is the star point. Again we can write movements. Next point, here in small intestine two types of movements mainly we can see. First one is segmental movement. Segmental means mainly mixing of food. Okay, this is segmental movement, mixing of the food. And next one is peristalsis. Peristalsis movement. Peristalsis movement means forward movement. Forward movement. Okay, next we will go for the functions of small intestine. Through a easy mnemonic we can remember, that is D A M A. In that mnemonic we can remember D for digestion, so in that we can write complete digestion carbohydrates, proteins, and fats with the help of intestinal enzymes. Next point, next one is A. A for absorption. In that we can write absorption of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and water into blood and lymph. Next, DAMA. So M means movement, or you can say motility, anything. Motility or movement means here two types of movements are there. So performs peristalsis and segmentation movement. To mix and push food forward. To mixing the food. Mixing means, already I told, mixing means segmentation. Push to the forward means peristalsis. So like that only you can remember, perform two types of movement. One is peristalsis and segmentation. By that, mixing of food and forward movement of food can say. Next is DAMA. Again A is A for acts as immunity. So in that we can write, it contains Pierce patches and mucus secretions for immune defense and protection. So, and protection. So this is the main four function of small intestine. So in that easy mnemonic you can remember DAMA. D for digestion, A for absorption, M for movement, and A for acts as immunity. So these are the 4 points you can remember. So by this point our small intestine notes is finished. I hope you understood. So if you like this channel, then like this video, then do share, subscribe my channel, and from today onwards continuation videos I will try. So for that, thank you.